Most AI videos break in two ways. Every scene looks like it came from a different world, and even if it looks cool, it's a 9:16 clip that you can't monetize properly. Agent Opus just launched something called Story Mode, and this might be the first AI video workflow that actually solves both of those problems. Today I'm going to turn raw audio into a cinematic 16:9 video, lock in one consistent style across every scene, and show you how you can use this for YouTube, video essays, explainer content, or even client work. And there's a challenge live right now where they're giving away $1,000 to 10 creators. Let's get into it. Okay, so what is Story Mode? Agent Opus Story Mode is designed for mid-form video creation. It's not just short vertical clips. Here's what makes it different. You upload your own audio, MP3, voice note, podcast clip, whatever. You choose or define a visual style, and it generates a full 16:9 video or the orientation that you'd like. And the style stays consistent across every scene. That consistency piece is the main thing that really stood out to me when I was trying out this tool, because most AI videos regenerate each shot independently. So the lighting changes, the character changes, and the mood changes. Story Mode treats it like one continuous visual world. That's what makes it usable for monetizable content. All right, now let's build something with this. We're going to create a cinematic startup documentary. The story is how Stripe payments came to be. Instead of just generating random scenes, we're going to turn a narrative story into a cohesive film. So step 1, you're going to go to Story Mode. Go to agent.opus.pro/story mode. You'll land here, and in the bottom left corner, click the icon to upload audio. Step 2, upload your audio. You can upload an MP3, you could paste a script, you could clone your voice, or use a preset voice. Original audio always hits harder, especially if you're sharing your videos to your own platforms. So I recorded myself narrating the story, the untold story of Stripe. Then I'll upload this into the prompt box. For step 3, we need to define the style. You can choose a preset, whether that's a 2D line, animation, clay motion, Claire. There is a bunch to choose from. You can also create your own custom style by clicking Add Style and giving your style instructions. So I could say The Simpsons or an A24 indie film. For the best results, think of a specific visual style that you think would go well with the overall story, and try to avoid highly realistic visual styles. So I'm going to try an A24 indie film style, and I'll enter A24 indie film aesthetics, naturalistic cinematography with soft handheld camera movement, shallow depth of field and intimate close-ups, diffused window lighting and practical light sources, etc., etc. You can also add a reference image for the style, so I could upload a screen still of Midsummer or any A24 movie. Then you'll just name it, so I'll name this A24 and I'll click Apply. Step 4, we need to choose our aspect ratio. So you can choose from 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1. I'm selecting 16:9. This is the difference between a random clip and monetizable YouTube content. Now I just give a quick prompt, a video essay on the story of how Stripe payments came to be in the style A24 indie film. Use the attached audio for the transcript. Then I hit create, and Story Mode begins transcribing my attached audio and creating the visual script. This whole process is going to take a few minutes since my audio clip is about 3 minutes, so I'll come back once my video is done generating. Alright, we got our video back, let's watch a bit of it. As John Collision put it felt like you were in the dark ages. So instead of fixing finance from the top down, they focus on the people actually building the internet, developers. 7 lines of code. That's what Stripe launched with in 2010. 7 lines that could connect any app or website to global payments in a single day. What once took weeks became copy and paste. Developers noticed. Stripe quietly powered Lyft, Shopify, Deliveroo, Salesforce, Facebook. Today, billions of people have bought from a Stripe-powered business, often without ever knowing it. And that's the point. Stripe didn't inject itself into checkout flow. It became invisible infrastructure. Okay, so if you notice, the tone stays consistent, the lighting stays consistent, and the visual identity carries across every scene. Plus, it was genuinely interesting to watch, which I can't say is true about a lot of AI-generated videos. It actually feels like one production, not just a bunch of stitched together AI clips. I also want to show you a bit of the same story, but in a different style. I use the 2D style for this one. As John Collision put it felt like you were in the dark ages. So instead of fixing finance from the top down, they focus on the people actually building the internet, developers. 7 lines of code. That's what Stripe launched with in 2010. 7 lines that could connect any app or website to global payments in a single day. What once took weeks became copy and paste. Developers noticed. Stripe quietly powered Lyft, Shopify, Deliveroo, Salesforce, Facebook. Today, billions of people have bought from a Stripe-powered business, often without ever knowing it. And that's the point. Stripe didn't inject itself into checkout flow. It became invisible infrastructure. But the bigger ambition wasn't just easier payments. It was something Patrick called increasing the GDP of the internet. That looks great. I think this matches the story well, and I was engaged the whole time. Now I can download my favorite version and upload it to YouTube, X, LinkedIn, literally anywhere that accepts MP4 files, and I can even make money from this. So as you saw, story mode is super flexible. This format works for startup breakdowns, founder documentaries, video essays, explainers, turning newsletters into films, or even repurposing podcast episodes. You're not just generating clips, you're creating a visual identity around a narrative. That is a whole different category. Story mode is live right now, and they're running a challenge. $1,000 to each of the top 10 creators who make the most engaging story mode videos. To enter, all you need to do is create an original video using story mode, post it on X or Instagram, and tag @AgentOpus, and keep it live through March 5th. Winners are based on engagement and quality. This isn't random. If your story hits, you win. You can try it below using the link in the description. AI video is evolving fast, but most tools are still built for short-form content. Story mode feels like it's built for a narrative. And if you're early to that, you have an edge. If you were going to turn one story into a cinematic AI film, what would it be? Leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.